Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. We're doing our hair today. Still on my protective hair styling kick. So I have a wig to show you guys from West Kiss. It is this big, fluffy, kinky straight. I think this is like a 5x5 closure unit. This is like the grab and go wig, so like it already comes with the lace pre-cut, pre-plucked. It just does not come pre-bleached, but I'm not bleaching it, so I'm gonna do the same thing I did to my last wig. I just used some makeup and tint spray, which I still need to go get a lighter shade of tint spray, but that's what we're gonna use today. So I do have my hair somewhat braided down still. My braids are all unraveling, so I had to like put a little ponytail in it, but nonetheless, the braid down is all that matters. So this also comes with adjustable straps. I love that the wigs come with the adjustable straps in them now. So first I'm gonna show you guys what the wig looks like without any of like the makeup on it. So it looks really good actually. I have a mirror right in front of me, so that's why I'm looking down, but the lace looks good. This is 22 inches. It's really full. I don't even know the density on this unit, but it's full. And yeah, I think I'm gonna wand curl this hair because I think I want to do like a flip over situation like that. But first, I'm going to put some makeup. Look at that braid. First, I'm going to tuck this back in. I have my makeup here. Whoa, whoa. Okay, that looks better. So that's what it looks like. I'm just gonna like take edges out to cover that, so when I do like flip it over, you won't really see that lace. So I'm gonna flip it over like this, but I'm gonna curl it, and this is a lot of hair. And we're gonna do a few wand curls. My iron is heating up. Section that big. Section this big. Sure. My handy dandy curling wand. And try not to burn ourselves, because yeah, no. Ooh, cool. This is the first wand curl. A slight wave. Okay, so I curled all my hair and it is so full. Like, I probably should have hot combed these roots because it is super fluffy. I do not know the density on this unit, but I'm definitely gonna list it below, because if you like full hair, this is nice. Like, this would be nice if you straightened it as well, because it's a lot of hair. I'm just gonna flip it like this, so the fluffiness in the roots kind of doesn't matter because I'm flipping it over. And then for edges, I'm about to pull out a little bit of the extensions. so we're gonna cut this. Okay, and I'm gonna put some edge control on it actually. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of our edge control and swoop the hair I just cut like that, which conceals the lace right there, so this little flip over can work like so. I like that. It's too close together. Okay, yeah, much better like that. Alright, kind of like that. So I'm just going to do the same thing to this side. I'm going to pull some of this hair out. Not too much. Edge control. Alright. So yeah, this is cute. She's big. So you gotta like big hair for the kinky hair because it can get big, but it's so stinking cute. The curls are cute. Again, I use this curling wand, which I think is about to die. I've had this for probably like 8 years, and it's on one of its last legs because it took me a while to curl my hair because it kept turning off and the temperature kept going down. So yeah, and also I didn't straighten this hair before doing it. So of course, if you were to straighten your hair before you wand curled it, it probably won't be this big either. But I like the big hair curled, not just straight. It has to be curled up. So this is the hair. There is a comb on the nape. There's also a comb in the middle, which I don't have attached. And then it has that elastic band. But of course, if you wanted a little more security, or if you were wearing this long term, I would definitely sew the perimeter down for sure. But yeah, other than that, that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be sure to list all of WestKid's hair in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.